Recording.
Get to go for a little ride home. It's going to be a little chilly, I think, but it's not bad for the first day of 2024. Had a nice little ride in this morning. Gonna head over, meet up with Brenda and her mom and dad, or my dad. We're gonna go out and eat and then ride home. This is a little short little ride through Wintersville here. Yeah. I'm gonna have to put the other jacket on for the ride home tonight. So, put some short videos on today. Hopefully you'll like them. Seems like a couple of you guys already started liking and got a new subscriber today. So, keep trying. I guess I'm doing something right or halfway decent. So, cleaned the lens of the camera off a few weeks ago and didn't clean the uh, shield on the helmet. Got all kinds of dead bugs all over. So, have to try to do that when I get home tonight. Of course, Harley won't be riding for a couple of weeks. According to News 9 that said it would. It's supposed to get cold Monday. Rain tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice, but rainy tomorrow. So probably won't get to ride. Probably have to be another week or two. So, according to the groundhog, we're supposed to have an early spring. So, get out, get some miles put under the bike. So, see how it goes. You gotta watch out. Winters was bad for picking you up. But you get on the bike, you want to go a little bit. So. put a search engine on. I went. Crazy people in cars. So it was a very long trip. Just a little one. A little longer on the way home tonight, but
Goodbye.